My name is Eric Wills. I am general manager here at the Crumbl cookie in Rexburg, Idaho. I have been here for 2 years since we opened the store. We are a franchise for the Crumbl Cookie Corporate, which is out of Orem, Utah. And we opened here when Crumbl had approximately about 24 stores at that time, and now they have over 300 stores. Crumbl Corporate, as the franchisor, provides some good tools for us. They handle a lot of our social media campaigns, which does include hiring in terms of putting out there that we have openings and helping facilitate the emails coming in for those openings. The problem we had was handling that traffic as it came in. And our first year and a half was really tough doing that because we had a lot of people, particularly in a college town. So we wanted to basically narrow it down to the candidates that came in pre-qualified and took a lot of that time and effort out of the hiring process. When I opened this store, I spent an entire month, probably 10 hours a week, just doing interviews. That's not even actually going through resumes because we have to have 70 employees hired. So that's probably close to 200 interviews that you have to go through to hire 70 people. And then on top of that, if you have 200 interviews, that's probably 400 resumes. That time was probably cut by 80%. If you're opening a new store, you spend a lot of time going through resumes, and that's really where Workstream was a huge value to us. It sends me an email and a text message every time I have a qualified candidate come through, and that qualified candidate has already been pre-screened for every single thing that I could possibly want in terms of availability, work history, experience, what shift they can work. Now all I have to do is set up a time for them to come in, either for a final interview, or in some cases, we bring them right in and train them right away off of all the pre-screening questions, and their training shift is their interview. We have more candidates than we could possibly imagine because they actually send it out to all the different platforms for us. Indeed, LinkedIn, Monster, all the different job sites out there, Workstream handles for us. Their account management was fantastic. That's something I haven't mentioned. Working with Workstream's internal staff was a dream. Every time I got on the phone with somebody, there was somebody one-on-one that would answer every question, literally go through the product with me to help me tweak it just the way I wanted, and was there every step of the way if there was any problems going forward. Product alone is fantastic, but the support was even better. If they're looking for a solution to helping them hire more people that are better qualified, faster, and cheaper, then Workstream's a solution for you.